Hello and welcome to the woven stitch. For materials, you'll need a basic size 4 yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. To start, you will chain in an even number of stitches. For row 1, place 1 single crochet into the second chain from hook. Chain 1, then skip 1 chain and place a single crochet after the skipped chain. Repeat these instructions till the end of the row. For row 2, you will chain 1 and turn. Skip the first single crochet, then place 1 single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and repeat to the end of the row. You are basically only working into the chain 1 spaces from the previous row. Make sure to place a single crochet into the turning chain. Repeat row 2 until the desired length, then fasten off and weave in your tails.